This is the Decibel dB calculator for power and voltage, which converts between power ratios, voltage ratios, and decibel values. The calculator has a drop-down menu for calculation type with 4 options: power ratio to dB, voltage ratio to dB, dB to power ratio, and dB to voltage ratio. For this demonstration, I'm using power ratio to dB. The input fields include P1 reference power, P2 measured power, V1 reference voltage, V2 measured voltage, and dB value. Only the fields relevant to your selected calculation type need to be filled. Let's work through an example. I'll enter 10 for P1 reference power and 10 for P2 measured power, then click Calculate. The results show power gain loss of 0.00 dB with a power ratio of 1.1000 and an interpretation of no change. This makes perfect sense because when the reference power equals the measured power, there's no gain or loss. The ratio of 10 to 10 is 1, which corresponds to 0 decibels, indicating the measured power is identical to the reference power. This calculator streamlines decibel conversions for your engineering calculations. Find the link in the description below.